In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a shape into a frame using Canva, a great tool for all your graphic design needs. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, head over to Canva's website at canva.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to sign up. Otherwise, click the login button at the upper right corner of the home page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, which could be linked to your Google account, Facebook, or an email address. Choose whichever method suits you best and log in. Once inside, you'll be greeted with your dashboard displaying all the projects you've worked on or any new templates you'd like to explore. Next, decide on the project you want to work with. If you have a specific project in mind, click on it to open up your usual workspace. If not, feel free to create something new. Canva offers a plethora of templates and tools to get your creative juices flowing. Now we're going to look at adding a new tool to your repertoire. In the apps section within Canva, you'll want to search for an app called Image to Frame. It's a nifty little tool that allows you to convert any image into a frame, and it's perfect for giving your designs a polished, finished look. Adding apps within Canva is as simple as searching for the one you need and hitting add to integrate it into your workspace. Having installed the app, the next step is to select the image you want to transform into a frame. Perhaps it's a favorite photo, a graphic, or any other media you want to frame. Just ensure you've got it ready within your Canva library. Once you've identified the image, it's time to turn it into a frame. Use the functionality provided within the Image to Frame app. Typically, you'll click on the image and follow the app's prompts to transform it. This app makes it incredibly user-friendly to frame your image, enhancing the overall aesthetics of your project. Just make sure to adjust the size and position of the frame to best fit your design preferences, and there you have it. Your image is now a beautifully crafted frame ready to elevate your Canva design work to a whole new level. Explore, tweak, and have some fun with different images and frames to get just the right look you're aiming for. I hope this tutorial helps you unleash even more creativity in your Canva projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!